Student, welcome to the Business Studies class, Part 23, Chapter 5, Organizing. Organizing is the functions of management which follows planning. It is a functions which integrate human, physical and financial sources of the organization as per the plan. The management functions of organizing ensures that efforts are directed towards the attainment of goal laid down in the planning function. Meaning, organizing is a managerial function and also the process of identifying and grouping different activities in the organization for achieving specified objectives. It helps in bringing together the physical, financial and human resources to establish most productive relation among them. Definition. According to Henry Fayol, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful to its function: raw materials, machine and tools, capitals and personnel. According to J.R. Terry, organizing is the establishment of effective authority relationship among selected worker, person and workplace in order for the group to work together efficiently. Next, steps in the process of organizing. First one, identification and division of work. The first step in the process of organizing involves identifying and dividing the work to be done in accordance with the predetermined plan. The work is divided into manageable activities so that duplication can be avoided and the burden of work can be shared among the employees. Next point, departmentalization. The process of grouping together those activities which are similar in nature is called departmentalization. It leads to specialization which result in higher productivity. For example, on the basis of territory, north zone, south zone, west zone, etc. On the basis of product, textile, cosmetics, eatables, etc. Third one, assignment of duties. Once department have been formed, each employee is placed under the charge of a manager. Jobs are then allocated to the members of each department according to their skill and knowledge. Fourth one, establishing reporting relationship. Each employee should know from whom he has to take order and to whom he is accountable. The establishment of each clear relationship helps to create an organization structure, which in turn leads to better coordination among various departments. This part is completed.